students, today's in this session we are going to construct the tangents to a circle. Chapter number 11, constructions. Exercise 11.2, class 10th. So let's start. Question number 1 is draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. So we have to draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Then from the center of this circle, we have to take a point 10 cm away. And from this point, we have to draw the tangent to the given circle of radius 6 cm. So let's draw a circle of radius 6 cm and O is its center. Take a point P at 10 cm. Measure the distance from O to this point 10 cm and join this OP. So we get the line segment OP is equals to 10 cm. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment OP. As we know that the construction of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment, that is, we have to open the compass more than half of the given line segment, for which we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Remember, open the compass more than half of the line segment, and with O and P as the center, we have to draw the two arcs, pair of arcs, upside and downside of this line segment, and by joining the intersection points, we get a perpendicular bisector. So let's start the perpendicular bisector of the line segment OP. Place the pointer at point O of the compass and open the compass more than half of this line segment OP and cut an arc with O as a center. Place the pointer at point P, same opening, cut an arc. This is the intersection point, 1 point. Place the pointer at point O again and cut the arc downside of this line segment OP. Place the pointer at point P, cut an arc which intersect the previous arc. So there are two intersection points A and B of the arcs. When we join this AB, this line is nothing but the perpendicular bisector of the line segment OP, and this line and the perpendicular bisector intersect at a point. Let the name is M. Here this M is known as the midpoint, as AB is the perpendicular as well as bisector. That means M is the midpoint and MO is equals to MP. Now with M as a center and OM as a radius, draw a circle, passes from O and P as well. Then we get a circle with center M intersect the given circle of radius 6 cm at the 2 points Q and R. So these 2 points are the point of contact. When we join this point Q to P and P to R, we get the pair of tangents. Here we measure the length of the tangents PQ and PR, and when we measure the length with the help of scale, we get that the length PQ and length PR are equal. Now let us justify this. So as in the construction, we have the Q and R are the tangents to circle. At point Q and R, we are having the PQ and PR are the tangents. So when we join with O and R, we get OQ and OR are the radii of the circle. Now we have the two triangles here, triangle OPQ and triangle OPR. So in these two triangles, we are having OQ and OR. Both are the radius, that is they are equal. Similarly, we are getting that angle Q and this angle R both are equal, as we know that the radius is perpendicular through the point of contact. That means these two angles Q and R are 90 degree, and the last OP line segment, this is common in both the triangles. So this is 90 degree, this becomes hypotenuse, and this is one of the sides. So we can say by RHS congruence condition, the triangles OQP and triangle ORP are the congruent triangles. Now the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are also equal. That is PQ is equals to PR. That meaning is length of the tangent PQ is equal to length of the tangent PR. So we have justified it that the length of tangents are equal in our construction. So I hope you will construct the tangents to the circle with the given point outside the circle.